Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete ad account in Facebook Business Manager. Facebook Business Manager, now commonly accessed through Meta Business Suite and Business Portfolio settings, allows you to manage advertising accounts connected to your business. If you no longer need an ad account, you can deactivate it from your business settings. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deactivate an ad account from Facebook Business Manager. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Then go to Facebook and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Profile button located in the top right corner. From the Profile menu, click Meta Business Suite. This will open your business management dashboard. Once Meta Business Suite opens, locate your account name with the drop-down in the top corner. Click on your account name to open the available business accounts. Select the business account that contains the ad account you want to remove. Next, click Settings. This will open the Business Management Settings area. Once the Business Manager Settings page opens, locate the Accounts section. Under Accounts, click Add Accounts. This will display the advertising accounts associated with your business. Locate the ad account that you want to remove. Select the appropriate ad account and look for the Deactivate button. Click Deactivate. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Review the information carefully and confirm that you want to deactivate the ad account. Once confirmed, the ad account will be deactivated. Keep in mind that deactivating an ad account is not necessarily the same as permanently deleting all historical advertising data. Meta may retain certain information associated with the account according to its policies. You should also make sure there are no outstanding balances, active campaigns, or other important resources associated with the ad account before deactivating it. Some users also expect the deactivation process to immediately erase all historical advertising information, but deactivation and data deletion are separate concepts. To summarize, deleting an ad account in Facebook Business Manager begins by opening Facebook and signing into your account. Next, click the Profile button in the top right corner, select Meta Business Suite, and then click your business account from the drop-down in the top right corner. Select Settings, and once the Business Manager settings open, go to Accounts and select Add Accounts. Choose the ad account you want to remove, click Deactivate, and confirm the action when prompted. The ad account will then be deactivated. Before deactivating an ad account, make sure you've selected the correct account and checked for outstanding balances or active campaigns. And that's how to delete an ad account in Facebook Business Manager. By navigating through Meta Business Suite into your business settings, you can locate the appropriate ad account and deactivate it when you no longer need it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.